Okay, now we want to have a look at how we manage the borders of our table. So here's our little table editor, which is still open from my last tutorial. And we have a section here called borders. And you can control whether you want this to be the borders of the whole table, or just the top borders, or the bottom borders, the left borders, or the right borders. And again, we can make this the table, the rows, a single cell. In this case, I'm going to make it the table. We're going to go all of the borders in the table, and now we'll pick a color. In this case, I'm going to make it bright red. And right now you can see you've got sort of little dotted lines here that are in red to show you that it would be red if it was there. But the dotted lines mean that it won't display in your web browser. But here's you have the little thickness control, and it's just a little slider, right? So you can make them as wide or as skinny as you want, from 0 all the way up to 30 pixels. And this also, when you do it with the whole table, it controls the amount of space between each of the cells. So you can see the cells get more space between them. So I'm just going to set this at 2 pixels just to make it nice and tidy. So there we go. That's how you deal with borders. You can make them any color you want. If you wanted to have a different color border on the top and a different color border on the sides, you can do that. If you want your rows or your cells to each have different color borders, you can do that too.